Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about select statement. What exactly the select statement is. So, select statement is a very important statement, or you can say a syntax in Oracle. By using select, we can fetch data in any table. For writing a select statement, we need to write select. If we wanted to fetch all columns, we will use asterisk. Then we will use from and then a table name from which we wanted to fetch the data. After writing this, we will click on this button, and here all those data which is available in the table are get fetched. So this table was a list of country with their country ID and the region ID, and all those information now we can see by using select statement. Let us suppose we wanted to see only one column like country name. So instead of using asterisk mark, we will use that column or those columns that we wanted to fetch. So in this example, we have taken country name. So after select the statement, we use the column name, or if there are more than one columns, we will use multiple columns by using comma. Let us suppose region ID. Then the same from statement and the table name from which we wanted to fetch the data. After clicking this, we run the query and we find that now we have just two columns as we have mentioned in this syntax. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.